Business growth path with recycled bottles. Product diversification. Don't stop at jars and planters. Think. Fashion accessories. Bottle beads, jewelry bag handles. Furnitures. Recycled bottles, stool, table partitions. Corporate items. Eco-friendly branded bottles, desk organizer, pen holders. Market niches. Eco-conscious millennials. They want unique handmade sustainable products. Corporate giftings, business love, sustainable gifts, sets, bonus. It boosts their image. Hospitality industry, hotels and cafes are hungry for eco decor that make them look modern and responsible. Revenue streams, direct sales, local shops, e-commerce, workshop, teach people to recycle, creativity charge fee. Collaboration partner with designers, architects, or even event planners. Subscription boxes, eco home box, monthly recycle decor. Marketing edge, storytelling. Every product should come with a card telling its past life. Example, this planter was once a soda bottle collect from a local cafe. Social media, DIY reels before after transformation, eco tips. Events, pop up stalls at eco festival, Christmas markets, or wedding expos. Scaling the business. Build a collection network with restaurant and even that discard bottles. Hire local artisans. Creates jobs, boosts community goodwill. Pitch to government NGOs sustainability programs for support and funding. Pollution fighter. Plastic bottles are one of the top 5 items polluting ocean. By recycling, you are directly saving marine life. Economic saver. Recycling reduces municipal waste management costs. Cities and business save money, which creates more opportunity for innovation. Cultural shift. Using recycled bottles spark conversation. When someone sees a lamp made from an old wine bottle, they ask about it. The awareness is spread. Health impact. Less plastic waste means fewer microplastic entering food and water supplies. That's not just eco, it's a personal health. Business growth path with recycled bottle. Don't stop at jars and planters. Think. Low raw material cost. Used bottles are often free or cheap. High received value. Eco-friendly products can be priced higher because they are unique. Story driven marketing. People don't just buy the products, they buy your story of saving the planet. Brand expansion. Eco gifting, corporate gifts, sets made with recycled bottles, subscription boxes, monthly eco box with new upcycled bottle item. Collaborate with eco influencers who showcase your products. Run educational angel. Run DIY workshop both physical and online. School and community center love this. It promotes sustainability and